There's another high school moron getting out of school because I guess he has to go to work. But anyway, I got it zoomed in as far as I can. Ah, look at there. There's a bird finger sticking up out of his car. Trying to get the face, but it won't pick up inside the car. It won't lighten up. But anyway, there's the car. Let's see if I can, oh, maybe there. No, won't get him there neither. But anyway, there's the car. At 12:38, this moron's coming in on Staley Road, because he lives in the back there. He's got a black t-shirt on. He's wearing a ball cap with a, looks like a, something white in the front of it. And he's got his bird finger stuck up. Aw. Well, why don't you take and sit on it in class there, son? Now, I got a better idea. Why don't you go use it on your mama? I'm sure she'll be happy. There's the car right there. I believe that is a possible Mitsubishi. Maybe. I'm not sure. Don't care. He wasn't speeding, but the stupid moron is in front of somebody's residence shooting a bird. There is his ugly mug, right there. There you go. That's him. What a moron.